Okay, Sean, I'm not sure if anybody's doing this, but this is a way of using Screencast-O-Matic. It's like Screencastify. So I could I think a little more easily run through the program like this. So I could put this up and talk my way through, and I can put this up as an MP3, MP4, MP7, whatever it is. Hi, my name is Dr. Coven. I'm the 6th and 8th grade science talent teacher for the Bay Academy. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about our program and how it works. So we have this Science Talent program, which is given through all 3 grades, 6th, 7th, and 8th. And let me tell you a little bit about the program. The goals, and I could talk through this. It's an easier way to put it together, Sean. And I could put this up, explain a little more, and go through slide to slide. It's easier for me to do this. I can bring this up to these points where I can run if I want. Run the video a little bit. I can go to the next video. Talk about one of the labs we've done. Okay, so here I have my favorite class. And I could just stop and talk about this. So this might be a little bit better for me to do. I wouldn't have to mess around with adding the vocals to it because I can put them right on this. So you let me know if this is good or not, and